Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps lagging on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Clash of Clans here in this page. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.